There are some foods you should never keep in the fridge. First, garlic. The cold makes it sprout, turn rubbery, and spoil faster. Second, ginger. Moisture and low temperature quickly lead to mold and bacteria. Third, onions. Fridge humidity softens them and makes them rot sooner. Fourth, cucumbers. Cold air takes away their crispness and makes them decay faster. And fifth, coffee. It loses its natural aroma because it absorbs other odors inside the fridge. Keep these foods out of the fridge to enjoy their real freshness.